How's the headache?
It's gone. It's incredible. Wow. I haven't been able to put my neck over like that in a really long time. That's amazing.
Heck yeah.
Thank you so much.
This is how you're supposed to feel all the time.
I would like that.
Whew.
Yeah.
What's going on? What happened?
Well, from a young age, I started seeing a chiropractor. I had a breast reduction when I was 22.
Okay.
Back issues, but in 2014, I had a fall at work. I had to have knee surgery, and I herniated a bunch of discs. So, as you can see, my head is off to one side of my body. One side's longer than the other, and I have herniated discs in my lumbar spine and cervical. So, just constant issues.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. But
that does not sound
keep going.
fun.
No.
No, I mean, of course, obviously life goes on. But now you're in pains, and I'm guessing before the fall you never had.
Never.
How often are headaches?
Pretty much daily.
Okay.
Yeah.
Daily headaches. Do you currently have them?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're just so.
I'm just used to it. I can't. When I get up in the morning, I have to stretch because I can't stand up all the way. So
you're like slowly.
I wake up like this, and I gotta. I can get to the toes eventually.
Oh. Gosh. How's like once you're up and going and whatnot? How's like moving, bending, turning?
This is about as far as this goes. It depends on the day. I have a lot of trouble with my hips for some reason lately.
Okay.
So I always feel kind of twisted and lopsided.
Okay.
And when I do Pilates, when we're on the reformer, you put your legs in straps, I can always feel that one side is doing more of the work than the other. And it's almost like I'm just constantly crooked. I don't know if it's my torso or my hips.
Okay.
But when I look in the mirror with no clothes on, just stand like I normally do, my torso is kind of like that way. Twists here. It's not straight, and that's how I naturally default. So if I'm not paying attention, that's how it goes to the side. So everything's kind of twisted.
I see exactly what you're saying there. Okay. Let's get you some relief. Go face down. Yes, please. Honestly, not too bad. Right side's a tiny bit shorter than the left.
Okay.
Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness.
Okay.
No pain with any of that, right?
Just down in this area, just a little tender, but nothing, to write home about. Normal stuff.
Okay. Alright, I'm going to start with the massage gun first. Take a deep breath in and out. Heck of a day outside right now. Holy crap, that's all I hear is that thunder.
Bad.
And then you can relax your arms.
God, I feel that all the way down to my hip flexors.
Do you?
Yep.
Jeez. Definitely tell why you have daily headaches. Oh my god.
So really tight, right?
Yeah.
All the time.
Oh my gosh.
Even down into my legs.
Oh my gosh.
I went to this massage therapist on Countryway. He has his own like space, and he said, "What the?" He said, "Your whole body is just one tight ball."
Yeah, well, he was not kidding on that. This is like pushing into a wall. But it should not be like that.
No.
Go face down again for me.
Okay.
Come down a little bit towards me. Let's see. Perfect. Good. Legs are back being balanced, which is a good thing. have you flip onto your back.
Yep. Those are like platinum records. Your YouTube awards. That's cool.
Yeah, granted, it'll take me a long time to get to the next one.
Really?
Yeah, 10 million's.
Oh.
Yeah, hit the 100K, hit the million,
Wow.
but 10 million.
Good for you. Oh, that's my favorite.
Scoot down just a tiny bit. Perfect. And you can let your hands, yeah, just rest. Yep. Here we go.
Shit. That's incredible. Oh my God.
What did
Wow.
you feel?
Holy cow. It was like from all the way down. I just grew 10 inches. It felt like, wow, that's amazing.
Not bad, huh?
Holy cow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. I do. I feel like I'm 10 inches taller. Holy cow. Lighter.
Good.
That is amazing.
Sit for me.
All right.
Yeah, I want to use the massage gun again.
Okay.
But yeah, isn't that crazy? Like,
That's insane. I've never experienced that in my life. Now I get it. Wow. That's amazing. All of it.
right?
Yeah.
How's the headache?
It's gone. It's incredible. Wow. I haven't been able to put my neck over like that in a really long time. That's amazing.
Heck yeah.
Thank you so much.
This is how you're supposed to feel all the time.
I would like that. So how often should I do this?
I would say average patient I see about 3 to 4 times a year.
Okay.
So about every 3-4 months.
Wow.
Granted, I do have some regulars that come monthly.
Okay.
They're just so used to the traditional
Right.
chiropractic schedule. Oh, all right, see you in a few days or see you next week. And
Yep.
you know, a lot of times you're feeling great, and I get people that are like, well, I don't want to have pain again, so I'm coming once a month.
Okay.
Okay.
Good for you.
But yeah, I would say average those about 3 to 4
Okay.
times a year.
Okay.
Fun.
Wow. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
Heck yeah.